Is it really possible to make money just by watching YouTube videos? Well, all you have to do is click View Video. Watch it for 30 seconds and get paid out directly to your PayPal. All you have to do is head to... What's up guys, it's the Millennial Entrepreneur here. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to make $400 per day just by watching YouTube videos. Sound too good to be true? Well, stick around and I'll show you exactly how it's done. And the best part is, this can be done from anywhere in the world. So whether you're from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, India, or the Philippines, this could work for you. Now before we get started, I am currently giving away a brand new iPad to one of my lucky subscribers. All you have to do is watch the entire video, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. So let's get right into it. So this will be the main platform through which we will be able to watch YouTube videos and earn points, which we will then be able to exchange for real money. But don't click off yet, because this is not the only platform we'll be using. There is one more thing you'll need to do before you can exchange those points for real money. So just stick with me and I'll show you all the steps you need to take to make money simply by watching YouTube videos. So what exactly is AddMeFast.com? This is just another social media engagement exchange marketplace where you can trade things like YouTube views, YouTube likes, and Facebook followers. And you'll see how simply watching YouTube videos can help you make money. And don't worry, a branded YouTube channel is not required. You can literally create a brand new YouTube channel with no profit picture and 0 subscribers and still make money just by watching these videos. So go right now to addmefast.com and click on the Try for Free button. Now if you click on that, you'll be directed to a page where you must enter your personal details and then click Sign Up. As soon as you do that, they'll send you a confirmation email that looks something like this. Then you'll click on the click here to confirm and then you'll be able to log into your account. So this is what the dashboard will look like on the inside. And the way this works is that people like me and you can go to addmefast.com and sign up in here on the left-hand side, where we can leave engagement to other people such as Facebook likes, Twitter followers, or TikTok followers, and so on. In exchange, we can add our social media accounts to this page by clicking on Add Site/Page. Then in turn, other people will like our Facebook photo. So it's like follow for follow, sub for sub, and stuff like that. But you're not here to go that way. You're not here to scroll through Facebook likes, Facebook followers, YouTube subscribers, or whatever else. You're here to watch it and profit from it, right? Well, that's precisely what we're going to do. So you'll just have to scroll down a little bit and look for YouTube views. Of course, you can follow other people on Instagram and get paid for it, but we're concentrating on watching YouTube videos. So just click on YouTube views right here, and it will take you to this page, where you can watch this video for 30 seconds and earn 10 points. So all I have to do is click on View Video right here, watch it for 30 seconds, and then leave it as it is. The counter must play for 30 seconds, remember that. And we only have to wait 30 seconds, then as soon as it's finished watching, it will update my points right here, as you can see. So as you can see, over 200 points will be updated. Now I'm free to do it all over again, and now I have the option of exchanging those points for Facebook likes, shares, followers, and so on. So the gist is, I exchange all the points I earn by watching YouTube videos for engagement on other social media platforms. And you'll see shortly how that can make us money. They also have a really nice referral program here on the right-hand side. You can see your referral link. If people sign up using your referral link, you can earn up to 90,000 points for just one person, which is insane. You can also get a daily bonus if you click on the daily bonus on the left-hand side. You can get 500 or more bonus points every single day just by being active on this platform. And that will only be available to you after your first day of registration, so if this is your first day advising them, you will not be eligible for the daily bonus of 500 points. However, if you come back tomorrow, you'll be able to get 500 free points. So simply return to YouTube views and watch as many YouTube videos as you can. Simply click on View Video, watch the video, and collect those points, which I now will show you how to exchange for real money. But first, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a like because we put in a lot of time into these videos and we really appreciate your support. We want to help you guys as much as possible, so we really appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have any questions or video suggestions, please leave a comment below because I will be reading all of them and will try to respond as soon as possible. So, as I mentioned, once you have accumulated those points, you can exchange them for something like Facebook likes, for example. Well, all you have to do next is head over to playerup.com. This is a marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade social media accounts and engagement. So you want to scroll all the way down and find a category that says all other games/marketplaces right here. Then select Facebook. And you will see that you can buy and sell Facebook friends, likes, and so on. So, for example, if I click on Facebook likes right here, you will see that people are selling 300 Facebook likes for $5.50. And if you do some research, you will see that other websites are selling Facebook likes for a lot more money. You can earn points by watching those videos on addmefast.com, which you can then exchange for Facebook likes, which you can then sell for a lot of money. So, let's say you sell 300 Facebook likes for $5. You can sell 1,000 Facebook likes for more than $15. To learn more about how it works, go to playerup.com. You'll sign up right here, and then you'll post your $15 for 1,000 Facebook likes. After that, they'll give you their Facebook page URL or post URL, and you'll simply just take that link. For example, I will simply go to Facebook to demonstrate how it works. For example, if they want likes on their Facebook post and will pay you $15 for 1,000, all you have to do is grab that URL, then click on Add Site/Page, select Facebook likes worldwide, add the title, and then paste the relevant page URL. You will then select how many points you want to give per like, for example, 10 points per like. And then I will simply click on Save Changes. That's all there is to it. Just by watching those YouTube videos, I made $15. You can do it over and over again every day. You can watch all of those YouTube videos right here. But you can also go to the YouTube user category and watch those videos there. By watching those videos, you earn points that you can then sell and use to play games and make a lot of money. To summarize, you go to addmefast.com, sign up there, and then click on YouTube Views on the left-hand side. After clicking that, you can choose View Video and watch the video for 30 seconds. Get those points, then go to playerup.com. Go to the Facebook likes category and post your listing by selling Facebook likes. PlayerUp will then pay you for those Facebook likes, and they will give you their URL, which you will simply copy and paste into your browser to return to addmefast.com. You will click on Add a Site/Page, and you will be able to specify how many points you want to give for those likes. You can also set a limit on all clicks. For example, if they order 500 likes, you can set a limit of 500 clicks. Then you'll simply click Save Changes, and then it will run on autopilot. Then they'll get their Facebook likes, you'll make money, and everyone will be happy. Then you will repeat the process by going back to YouTube Views and watching as many videos as possible to collect as many points as possible to make as much money as possible with addmefast.com. I swear signing up is completely free. Well, there you go, guys. It's that simple. You can make a lot of money just by watching YouTube videos if you set it up correctly. Now, don't forget we are giving away a brand new iPad to one of my subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed and also have liked this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.